Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be really different and it's like going to be really amazing. I'm going to tell you about henna. If you don't know about it, then I will be defining everything about it. It's kind of an organic kind of paste which is applied onto the whole body. It depends on the person where that person wants to apply it. Maybe that place can be the hands or feet or anywhere that person wants to apply. But many people cannot do it by themselves because they're not good in applying it. If you take my example, then I'm also not good at applying henna by myself. I make mistakes all of the time and I don't want it to ruin my hands. So for that, I never apply it. But one day I found out a brand named as Mihenna and I immediately bought a body art kit from their website. So let's just get started and show you everything how I do it. So I'm back with the video and this is the box that I've received yesterday. Now I'm going to open it. When I open this box, there is written, "You are so beautiful, it drives me." Oh, I like the way they have added this line. I like it. Okay, so you are going to get this whole stuff and I don't know what it is, so I'm going to read this instruction card first. So it does have this, I guess this is an oil. Yeah, this is an coconut oil. This is a small spatula. Okay, and this is henna. Okay, this is the full stencil that they have divided in two pieces, and then I have these all stencils for fingers. This one's for fingers as well. Oh, so beautiful. I'm so excited to apply all of these. Oh my god, I love them. You guys should be having this. Like, seriously, I like every design. Be sure to find a comfortable position when applying. The paste takes about 30 minutes to dry and should be left on the skin for a minimum 2 hours. During those first 20 minutes, it is best to be in a comfortable position which you will not be moving around too much, etc. I'm going to cut the stencils. You should make sure that you are not moving your hands because the design can get destroyed. So you should be not doing it. You shouldn't be doing this thing. Okay, and I'm going to take another finger as well. Okay, so I wanted to let you know one thing, that before applying this henna, make sure that you squeeze out some of the henna paste prior at the tip of the henna cone. This is because the product is natural organic. So I suggest you to squeeze some paste out of the cone first into the paper towel. You may need to use scissors to cut the tip of the henna cone once the needle has been removed to allow the paste to come out more easily. Some important things that I wanted to let you know are the longer you leave onto the henna paste, the darker your stain will be and the longer it will last. For best results, keep area with your tattoo still for 30 minutes while paste dries to a crackly state. Then you may use clinch wrap to protect leaf onto for 2 to 12 hours. Apply the paste to the areas with thick skin such as palms or hands and feet. Tattoos on the other places such as arms, legs, stomach and back will fade faster because the skin is thinner. Color will continue to develop for 24 hours. Tattoo will last 1 to 2 weeks, depending on how often you bath, exfoliate, or expose skin to hot water. Reinsert the needle into cone once finished for proper storage. Store henna cone in fridge to keep paste fresh. Will last for 3 months. Once you have applied the henna paste, do not apply more. You may notice the paste begins to dry and see your skin and think you have missed a spot. Do not apply more henna, just make sure you cover the stencil one time. By applying henna paste more than once, you alter the result or the design. Please shower prior to applying the henna tattoo and avoid water for as much as possible for first 24 hours. The tattoo takes 24 hours for the color to fully develop. You do not need to do a lot of struggle to make any kind of design or something. You're just going to do just like an easy peasy task it is, and you can do it really nice, like anyone can do it. I hope that you liked my video, and if you liked it, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon so you'll never miss an update whenever I will post something. Thank you for watching. Bye.